Are you looking for the best pickleball sets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Pickleball Paddles Set. Experience the power and control of the MTEN Pickleball Paddles Set. These USAPA-approved paddles are designed with premium quality materials, including a unique fiberglass surface and polypropylene honeycomb core technology. The fiberglass surface provides excellent rotational performance, while the honeycomb core reduces vibration and achieves stable speed. The comfortable ergonomic grip is perforated, sweat-absorbent, and cushioned, allowing for better grip and cushioning. With a wide racket area, these paddles provide more sweet spots for the perfect shot. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or professional player, this complete set is perfect for you. It includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor pickle balls, 1 carry bag, and 2 grip tapes. Upgrade your pickleball game with the MTEN Pickleball Paddles Set. What we like: lightweight and comfortable. Great for beginners. Includes carry bag and balls. Durable and sturdy design. Affordable price point. Number 2. VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddles Set. The VINSGUIR Pickleball Set is designed for both beginners and seasoned players, offering enhanced control with its standard paddle shape. You'll appreciate the included sweat-absorbent headbands that keep you comfortable and focused during intense matches. The upgraded pickleball bag not only protects your gear but also features sturdy construction for reliable travel. Plus, the contour grip ensures a comfortable hold, allowing you to swing easily and improve your game. This set comes with everything you need to get started, making it an excellent choice for your pickleball journey. What we like: lightweight and easy to handle. Comfortable grip reduces fatigue. Attractive design and good quality. Includes protective paddle covers. Great value for beginners. Number 3. JOOLA Essentials Pickleball Paddles Set with Balls and Bag. The JOOLA Essentials Pickleball Paddles Set is a complete set that includes 2 paddles, 2 balls, and a carry bag. This set is ideal for players of all skill levels and is approved by the USAPA for tournament play. The paddle features reinforced fiberglass layers, response polypropylene honeycomb core, and sure grip technology, which offers a perforated anti-slip ridge grip. These features enhance the recreational player's game, providing extra pop, comfort, and confidence. Number 4. JOOLA Ben John's Pickleball Set. The JOOLA Pickleball Set is designed for players of all levels, featuring 2 high-performance paddles and 4 balls, making it easy for you to gather friends and family for a game. The fiberglass paddles offer a larger sweet spot and reduced vibration, enhancing both power and control during play. With 2 indoor and 2 outdoor balls included, you can enjoy the game in various settings, whether on indoor courts or outdoor fields. Plus, the included carrying bag keeps everything organized and easy to transport, so you can hit the courts without any hassle. What we like: sturdy yet lightweight paddles. Excellent grip and comfort. Great balance for control players. Durable construction. Good value for serious players. Number 5. Selkirk SLK Atlas Max Paddle Bundle. The Selkirk SLK Atlas Max offers a premium pickleball experience with its advanced features. The raw carbon fiber face enhances your control and spin, giving you the confidence to hit precise shots. With the Rev Control polymer honeycomb core, you benefit from a larger sweet spot, ensuring consistent hits and powerful performance. The raw spin technology allows you to generate impressive spin, keeping your opponents guessing. Finally, the balanced mid-weight design strikes a perfect equilibrium between power and control, reducing fatigue during play, making it an excellent choice for all skill levels. What we like: high-quality paddle construction. Comfortable grip and weight. Large sweet spot. Good for beginners and advanced players. Improves game control and spin.